Welcome to Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. Today I'm going to demonstrate you how you can use shortcut in your MS Office. Why we need to use shortcut? Suppose you want to type your company name repeatedly, so you can use a shortcut instead of typing your company name in MS Word, like Gboard. I have already made a video how to do the same thing with Gboard, but today I am going to show you how to do it with your MS Word. I am using Windows 10 and Office 2021. I have opened a blank document. Now I am pressing Alt+Q.
Alt-Q ribbon. Type the search and use the up and down arrows keys.
So in this search box I can type options or I can type proof. So I'm typing options.
9 suggestions available.
So I'm pressing down arrow to go to options menu.
Options. Best action proof. Options. To move through items, press up or down arrow.
So I'm pressing enter here.
Enter. Leaving menus. List box word options. General 1 of 11.
So there are 11 options. But now I'm pressing down arrow until I hear the option called proof or proofing.
Display. Proofing.
Yes, proofing. So I'm pressing tab once.
Proofing. Autocorrect options. Autocorrect options. Button to
So to activate this button I'm pressing enter.
Enter. Replace. Edit. Type and text. Alt+.
So when you press enter it will move your focus automatically to replace edit box. But before this you need to check one checkbox. So I'm pressing shift F once.
Replace text as you type checkbox checked. To clear check.
Yes, replace text as you type. So you have to check this box. After that I'm pressing tab.
Replace edit combo. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value.
So here I need to type the shortcut. What shortcut I want to type? Suppose I want to type my channel name Accessible Computing, but as a shortcut I want to type AC. So I'm typing AC. Then I'm pressing tab.
AC with edit combo. To set the value, use the arrow.
With means here you can type the word. You have to type the actual word what you want. So I'm typing accessible computing. I'm pressing tab.
Exceptions button to
Tab.
activate. Replace button to activate, press space bar.
Tab.
Delete button to activate, press space
Tab.
bar. Automatically use suggestions from the spelling checker checkbox
Tab.
checked. OK button to activate,
So I'm
press
clicking
space
just
bar.
on OK button to activate this.
Enter. Document 1
This is a blank document. Now I am typing AC, then hit on space bar.
AC autocorrect accessible computing.
So when I typed AC, the channel name is typed here. Okay, so this is how you can easily create any shortcut, and there is delete option also available. If you want to delete the shortcut you can easily delete. So with this option you can easily type any big line, big paragraph with just a single word or single shortcut. So this is for today. Thank you for watching till the end. See you in the next video soon. Till then, stay safe, take care. Bye bye.